the ability of the Marine Lab and the work that's been done, especially over the last year, to reach out to the Beaufort community and to lend a helping hand and to work to develop Beaufort stands as a wonderful opportunity for us. The same way that Duke University is working hand in hand with Durham and other communities in the Triangle to develop and promote human happiness and resources in the Carolinas. Here we go. The work here, blending the sciences and the social sciences to address environmental challenges, is just a fabulous example of our ability to serve our communities.